Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Hello. Hi. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. In this video, I am going to share with you a most stunning and very beautiful and very amazing crochet centerpieces decoration ideas. These are very pretty and these are very unique crochet centerpieces decoration ideas for you guys, and I hope so guys you like these crochet centerpieces decoration ideas. So guys, thank you so much for supporting my channel, and thank you so much guys for supporting my videos. So viewers, these are super amazing and super incredible crochet ideas for you guys. So viewers, these are super incredible and very unique crochet ideas for you guys. If you want different other craft videos, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload more videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. These are very unique and super incredible crochet centerpieces decoration ideas for you guys. And you also watch different other craft videos on my channel. So viewers, follow for more details, and I'm glad to see you all. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz guys.